Hey there, music enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic that's going to unleash your creativity and passion: how to write a song. Whether you're an aspiring songwriter or just curious about the songwriting process, you're in for a treat. So, grab your favorite instrument or a pen and paper, because we're diving deep into the art of crafting your very own song from scratch. Part 1. Finding inspiration. Before we start jotting down lyrics or humming melodies, it's crucial to find your inspiration. This could come from personal experiences, emotions, stories, or even current events. Don't be afraid to let your imagination run wild. Visualize and reflect. Close your eyes and visualize moments that evoke strong emotions. Reflect on your own experiences: happiness, heartbreak, love, or even a simple everyday encounter. Keep a journal. Carry a small journal or use a note-taking app to jot down interesting phrases, thoughts, or snippets of conversations. You never know when these could spark a brilliant song idea. Part 2. Crafting lyrics. Now that you're brimming with ideas, let's start turning those thoughts into captivating lyrics. Establish a theme. Decide on the central theme of your song. Is it about love, hope, nostalgia, or a personal struggle? This theme will guide your lyrics. Play with structure. Experiment with song structures. You can go for the classic verse-chorus-verse or create your own pattern. Remember, there are no strict rules. Use metaphors and similes. Incorporate metaphors and similes to add depth to your lyrics. They paint vivid pictures and create a connection with the listener. Part 3. Crafting melody. Time to give your lyrics a musical soul: the melody. Hum and experiment. Start humming melodies that match the emotions of your lyrics. Don't hesitate to try various tunes until you find the one that resonates. Chord progressions. Learn some basic chord progressions on your instrument of choice. Experiment with major and minor chords to evoke different feelings. Play with rhythm. Rhythm is key. Mix up your rhythms to keep your song engaging. A catchy rhythm can make your song instantly memorable. Part 4. Adding harmony and dynamics. To make your song truly captivating, let's talk about adding harmony and playing with dynamics. Experiment with harmonizing melodies. You can create harmony by singing or playing different notes that complement the main melody. Dynamics refer to the variations in volume and intensity. Play around with soft and loud sections to create contrast and keep your audience engaged. Part 5. Polishing and refining. Almost there. Let's polish your song to perfection. Get feedback. Share your song with friends or fellow musicians. Constructive feedback can help you identify areas for improvement. Edit and rewrite. Don't be afraid to rewrite and refine your lyrics. Sometimes, a small change can make a huge difference. Conclusion. Congratulations, you've just learned the basics of how to write a song. Remember, songwriting is a journey that involves practice and patience. Keep honing your skills, stay open to new ideas, and let your creativity flow. Who knows? Your next song could be a hit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your songwriting experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep making music. Thanks for watching.